MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. Before you take any trade on a daily basis, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there is any news concerning any pair you want to trade or currency before you take your trade. This will prevent you from trading against the news, because the news can affect your technical analysis. So it is important that you check a news aggregator like Forex Factory before you take your trade. This particular strategy can be used on MT4 alone, and you can use this strategy to trade on any indices you want to trade on, like a US 500 cash, US Tech cash, also known as US 100. You can use it on US 30 cash. You can use it on JP225 cash, and you can also use it on DE40 cash. As many indices you have on your platform, you can use this particular strategy. And this strategy can be used on stock also. You can trade any stock with this particular strategy, like a eBay stock. You can trade a GM store. You can trade a Google store. You can trade a Facebook stock. You can trade a Microsoft stock. So we have a lot of stocks that you can trade on this particular platform. And you can trade Amazon stocks. You can trade the Apple stock. As many stocks you want if you are interested in trading stocks. So this particular strategy can be used for it also. You can use to trade the spot oil like Brent and the WTI. This particular strategy can be used to trade metal also, like gold, and you can use it to trade silver. You can use this particular strategy on cryptocurrency. You can trade BTC EUR, you can trade the BTC USD, Ethereum USD, ETH EUR, BCH USD, Litecoin, SRP, a lot of pairs, Ethereum, Doji, and the like. So you can use this particular strategy on any crypto you want to trade, and you can use it on any forex pairs, as many as you want, but there's no need for you to trade all the pairs. Just pick few and monitor it so that you know how it behaves on a daily basis. You can use this to trade forex pairs like Euro, Great British Pounds, USD CHF, Great British Pounds USD, Euro USD. We have as many pairs as you have on your MetaTrader 4. Now that you know on which pair you can use this particular strategy, let me show you how to use this winning strategy that will make you money consistently on a daily basis. Just follow me closely as I explain how to use this particular strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trader channel. If this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. And do not forget to give me a thumb up if you really like this video. And the downloading to all the indicators I use for this particular MetaTrader 4 winning strategy is in the video description. It is free. Make sure you download it. Now let me show you how to use it. The first thing you have to look out for is this indicator here. This indicator here, either it turns to blue or to red. Red is for sell and blue is for buy. And the second indicator you have to look out for is this arrow indicator, also blue for buy and red for sell also. we have red for sell. And the third indicator is this candle color. This turned to white for a buy, and it changed to crimson also for a sell. So you must consider these indicators before you place any trade. Now I have the last indicator on my indicator window here, and it is very important that you pay attention. This indicator will prevent you from trading fake breakout or fake signal. So this particular indicator is good for you to check the direction of the trade before you take any trade, because with the other indicators here, it might fluctuate at as many times as possible, but it will not repaint, but it can fluctuate. So it won't be good that you enter keep on entering and closing your trade. We have a sell here, we have a buy here, we have another buy here, we have sell here. Before you can make any profit, the market reverse again. So this is not good enough if you are going to use this indicator alone, and that is why I combined it with this indicator at the indicator window here to correct this issue of giving us a many signal within few minutes, and at the end part of the signal might ended in loss. So let us follow this particular strategy closely as I show you how to know if a signal generated will deliver or not. Now let's start from this particular point. At this point here, I have a buy signal generated here. I have all the indicators on the indicator window giving us a buy signal. I have the arrow here, this line, and the other arrow for a buy, and then the candle did change to white for a buy. So this is correct. And when you check the indicator window, we have the bar changed to white from red for additional confirmation. This is good. And we have the aqua color here, or this particular color that I use for buy also, and this did confirm this signal at this particular point. We have all the indicators in agreement, so this is a good buy. Then you ride the trend. When you check this particular point, we have a set signal here. This did change to red, but when you check this histogram, it remained white. So this is not valid at this particular point. And here we have continuation in agreement with this bar, followed by this ball here for a buy. So this is a good ride. Here we have another arrow here for a sell, but when you check the histo bar here, it remained white. So this is invalid. And at this point we have another dot here, white bar, and this is another continuation. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Let's check other pairs also and see how it play out. This is US 30 cash, and this is 15 minutes time frame. At this particular point, we have all the indicators in agreement for a sell. This remain red, and here we have a buy signal. This is invalid. We have sell arrow here. This is correct because we have this color here, it remains red. And at this point we have a buy signal here, and this is a correct signal also generated by this indicator. So this is how to use this particular indicator. This will help you from entering a wrong trade, and make sure you follow it closely. This is another pairs. This is Great Britain pounds, Japanese yen, and we have another buy signal generated here. We have the ball here, the histo bar remain white, and then we have a confirmation here also. This is a good ride. This is continuation. Here we have a sell signal here, and at this point we have confirmation, though this only give us a few pips, and few minutes later or hours later we have a buy signal generated here, and this is a good signal also. Let's check it on higher time frame. Here is it on 1 hour. We have a confirmation here at this particular point for a buy, and the trend continue until when we have our opposite signal and confirmation here, and again we have a buy signal generated at this particular point. All the indicators are in agreement at this particular point. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Just make sure you follow the simple rule and do follow money management. This is US 30 cash on the 5-minute time frame, and we do have a great setup here using this particular strategy on lower time frame also. So feel free to play with these indicators that have combined together. Now let me show you all the indicators I use and the setting. The first indicator here that gives us this arrow, blue and the red arrows, are half trend, and these are the values, and these are the color dodger, blue for buy and the red for sell. And the second indicator I use that change this candle color from white is a fractal channel breakout indicator. Here are the values. Never to worry, in my video description I will drop the template so that you'll be able to use it and have the same setting like mine. And if you want to turn on any of the alerts, feel free to do so. And the last indicator here on the indicator window is a parabolic indicators. These are the colors and these are the values. Just make sure you use my template, download it, it is free. And this is the end of this particular tutorial. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do not forget to give me a thumb up. The download link to all the indicators used is in the video description, and in my video description also I drop links to some of the forex broker that I do use, and I do not have issue with them. I'll be able to withdraw my money consistently without any issue. So if you want to register with any forex broker, make sure you check my video description, and you can use any of the links to register. And make sure you practice this strategy on demo account before you go live. It is important that you practice before you go live. If you want to go to Olympic, I believe you will practice, and a lot of practice before the D-Day. So before you go live, make sure you practice and practice and practice and get familiar to these indicators or to this strategy before you use it. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.